Do you want to know how you can add QuillBot to your Google Docs? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add QuillBot to Google Docs. The first step is to open any browser and go to the extension bar and search for Get Extensions and go to the search bar to search for QuillBot. Go ahead and click on it and click Add. After you've added it, you can see the QuillBot will be running over here. The next step is to go to Google Docs. So go ahead and search for Google Docs. Tap on the Google Docs official page and click Try Docs. If it doesn't work, go to Docs and click Blank Document. As you have already added QuillBot, you can see the QuillBot extension over here. If you click on it, then the QuillBot sidebar will open up and you can also rephrase it or anything you want. Click on Paraphrase and you can see that you can easily start paraphrasing or rephrasing your sentences using QuillBot now. I hope this video about how you can add QuillBot to your Google Docs was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.